everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a Lego pulley. So this is how it works. So you have to pull this string and then it just comes up like this. And then these are the pieces that we will need for this build. As you can see that I didn't separate like these pieces, so I'm gonna explain how to build them later in the video. So now let's start our build. So first we have to get we have to make the load for the pulley to pull. So we're gonna first get this piece, and you could use any brick you want, but make sure you don't overlap them. So I overlap this one, so if there is needed any opening, you could like open it, and that's why I made this one overlap. So then we have to attach this 4x8 plate over here and this one over here, and then attach this 8x8 plate down over here. And even at the top, if you have one 8x8 plate, you can use it, and then just tilt this like that, and then you could attach this overlapped piece, but make this red 1x4 piece over here, and this is made by two 2x4 pieces at the bottom and at the top, and one 1x4 piece in the middle. And this is how your build should be looking right now. And then attach these 4x8 plates like horizontally this way, and this one horizontally like that. And now let's attach this string to the load. So now we have to get this string, put it like over here, and this string should be like almost the same size, otherwise your this thing should be higher. So now we have to keep this here, like here a little bit, and then we have to get this piece that has a stud on the side and a hole at the back. So from the back, there's something over there, as you can see. And then move the string a little bit here, so that can go there. And now that's tight enough to hold that. Wait, it's not that tight. So we need to get this again, and then put it over there, and then put that there. And then we could get this 1x2 brick and then attach it right over here. And now your string is properly hold it to the load. So now we have to get this thing, make this thing. So I use these pieces that have this connected thing to go inside, but I got this piece that has an axle on one side and a connected piece on the other. So I attached it, and same on the other side. And then I attached those small red pieces and make sure they're half in and half on the other side. And then I attached those pieces that have the triple connector thing, and then I got the things that have things that axles could go from both sides, and then a connector piece could go in the middle. So we could attach these both holes onto this thing like that, and this thing is built by mostly 2x4 bricks, so I recommend that you should use mostly 2x4 bricks, but in the top you can use one 2x2 brick and one 2x6 brick, and even in the middle or over here. And now let's attach this string over here and put this string inside, insert it, and then pull the string from here, and then bring the load here, and then we have to pull it, and as you can see, the load gets pulled like this. Thank you everybody for watching my video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.